To add app shortcuts to the home screen on iPhone 16e, first we need to go to the Shortcuts app, which by default we can find in the Utilities folder in the home screen, but you should be able to find it in the app library as well. Once you are here, you might find something like this with all shortcuts text and a bunch of different options over here, such as the music recognition and so on and so forth. You can also go back to shortcuts here in the top left corner in order to find all apps that are compatible in this case. So let's say I'm gonna stick with the music recognition. I can tap over here and I can choose recognize music. So now of course we can use that feature, but if we want to add it to the home screen, we can press and hold on that button and then we can press add to home screen. We can customize the appearance of the app or the shortcut, but I'm gonna just keep it as it is. Just keep in mind that you can over here pick the icon and color and then press add in the top right corner. And now, as you can see here, we have this app shortcut added to the home screen. In the Shortcuts app, we can find a bunch of different useful tools. If we go back to all shortcuts, you should be able to, for example, find the timer, the stopwatch. We can scan documents with just a single button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!